now tuned in to Tiffany Lee.
What's up, y'all? It's Tiffany Lee and I'm back again with another video. In today's video we're going to be trying out this Sanne dipping nail powder kit, and this is just what it looks like as soon as you open the box. Just the things that are inside. There's an instruction sheet and there's also a card that has their website on it, which is www.sanne.club. So now I'm just showing some of the powders that are in there. There was a clear powder, white, a few shades of pink, and then 2 shimmer powders. The colors didn't have specific names for the colors, but I'm just showing you guys what each of them look like. There's like a mauve pink, a baby pink, like a powdery pink, and like a hot pink color. So like I said, just a few shades of pink, and then here's a shimmer powder that I mentioned. So I'm just showing you guys what they look like just so you guys can get a good idea. This kit also comes with 3 different liquid solutions. There's a base, which is what you use first, an activator, which you use second to harden the powder, and the third is just the gel top coat. This kit also comes with this cute mini brush. You can just use this brush to dust off any excess powder. Super soft, super cute. And then there's also this dish, which I believe you can use to pour in the liquid solution that you use to remove the nails. And then there's also this buffer, 100-180 grit nail file. So I want to say thank you to this company for sending me over this kit. They gave me a really good first impression. This was actually my first time trying dip powder, but I was really excited to try because judging off of the packaging, everything was really nice and neat, and the amount of stuff that they give you was really nice. Alright, so before we get started, I'm just showing some of the things of my own that I use. You don't have to use them, but I just had some nail dehydrator and some nail primer, some nail tips, some nail scissors to cut the tips down, a nail drill, and some KDS glue. Like I said, you don't have to use these things, but I just wanted to add tips to my dip powder. I didn't want to just use my natural nails. So I just have some XL C-curve tips that I'm using, and I just cut them down to some cute shorties. So here I'm just taking that nail file that came in the kit, and I'm just going to begin shaping the nails. I don't really have to do too much because I was going for a square look, so I didn't really do too much there. And then I'm also going to be taking my nail drill and begin filing the nail tips down to my natural nails. Once I'm all finished filing and shaping, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that nail dehydrator and primer that I showed you guys. Okay, so I actually thought that this was a white dipping powder, but I found out quickly that it was just clear. So I started using it, and then you're going to see what it looks like. And these are just the things in the kit that I will be using, so I just took everything out ahead of time. But I started the process, so I'm not really going to explain too much detail because, like I said, I thought that it was white, but it was actually clear. So I just put on the base and then began dipping in the powder, and then in a few more clips you'll see what I'm talking about. So this is what I was talking about. I learned very quickly that the color was not pigmented at all. You can see when I dusted off the excess powder, I was like, why does it not look white? Like, I understand like you have to do a few layers, but eventually with the correct color, that's what it should look like on the pinky. So I start off using the base that comes in the kit, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my nail bed, just making sure that I get that on my natural nail and also the tip. And this base coat just basically acts as an adhesive, just to make sure that the powder sticks to your nails and holds everything together. So for the next step, it's going to be me dipping the nails in the powder, and on the instruction sheet it says to do it at a 40-degree angle, so you don't want to stick it in straight up and down. You have to do it at kind of an angle, and I'm just taking my time making sure that the nail goes all the way down so that it's coated evenly. And this is just what it looks like, and then I'm just going to be shaking off the excess powder. So I repeated that process on each nail, and obviously one coat is not going to be enough, or one layer of the powder is not going to be enough, so I had to keep building it up. I think I did it about 3 or 4 times, but I don't think I showed everything just because I felt like it would begin to be too repetitive. But you can see me repeating the same steps that I did on the first nail I showed you guys on all my other nails. So applying the base coat, dipping it in the powder at a 40-degree angle, shaking off the excess powder, and then you'll later see me going with the other 2 bottles. So after I've repeated those steps a few times, this is just what my nails look like with a few coats of powder on them. I'm not sure what happened to the one nail because you can see there's a little lump there. My camera wouldn't really focus, so you might not be able to really tell. But I just dusted off the excess powder and then began going in with my nail drill just so I could even out that nail where the bump was. So once the powder is all applied, you're just going to want to go ahead and go in with your activator. This just hardens the powder and dries it out a little bit more. The powder does dry, like it's not like loose when it's on your fingers, but you just want to make sure in between each step that you allow time for it to dry, and then the activator just speeds it up a little bit and hardens it, like I said. So this is what my nails look like once I finished applying the activator. I was not happy with this look at all just because I felt like I did a really messy job. So in the next clip you'll see me applying the gel top coat, but I did end up going back and fixing the nails just to make them look a little bit more polished. So the nails looked okay, but like I said, I just felt like I did a messy job. So I literally filed off the gel top coat and went ahead and buffed out the nails and filed them a little bit more just so I could make them look more cleaner and sharp. So this is what my nails were looking like after buffing and filing. I felt like it looked a lot better and I was just more happier with the look, so I went ahead and did the other hand. So So in this next clip, you'll just see me adding some rhinestones. I think I completely forgot about the gel polish that they gave me in the kit because I began using my own and I didn't even need to use the light for the gel top coat that they sent me, so I don't even know why I did this extra step. It's just stuff that I had of my own, the rhinestones and the light. So you'll just see me doing a little simple design. I didn't do anything too crazy, but I just wanted to add something because I didn't just want to have plain white nails.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart.
Here is the final result. I thought the nails came out super cute. So I just want to say thank you again to this company, Sanne, for sending me this nail kit. I think it's really perfect for beginners if you want to get into nails but you're not quite ready for acrylics. This was my first time using dip powder, but it was really easy, and they do include an instruction sheet which is really helpful. So this product will be listed down below in the description box if you guys want to check it out, and I will also have a code for 40% off if you do want to purchase this kit or anything off their website. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you stay blessed, and hopefully I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.